Welcome back to the Cozy English Corner. Today, we are looking at an advanced English adjective that many people consider to be one of the most beautiful-sounding words in the entire English language.
The most beautiful word, that is a very high compliment. What is it?
The word is mellifluous. It is spelled M-E-L-L-I-F-L-U-O-U-S, mellifluous.
Mellifluous, it sounds like a gentle stream of water. What does it mean?
You are perfectly describing its literal roots. It comes from Latin, meaning flowing like honey. We use it to describe a sound, a piece of music, or a person's voice that is incredibly sweet, smooth, and pleasant to listen to.
I understand. It is a much more poetic way of saying someone has a nice voice.
Exactly. If you say someone has a nice voice, it sounds very basic. But if you say, the singer had a rich, mellifluous voice, you are painting a beautiful, professional picture.
That is lovely. Can you use it for things other than human voices?
Absolutely. You can use it for musical instruments. A cello or a saxophone can produce a very mellifluous tone. You can also use it for the sounds of nature.
Like the sound of birds singing in the morning.
Yes, a poet might write, "I woke up to the mellifluous sounds of the forest." It means the sounds were soothing, smooth, and relaxing.
It really does sound like honey pouring. Let us practice the pronunciation.
It has 4 syllables. The heavy stress is on the second syllable, the LIF sound, mellifluous.
Mellifluous, mellifluous.
Excellent. Notice how the L and the F sounds flow together. Try putting it in a full sentence. She has a mellifluous voice.
She has a mellifluous voice.
Flawless. Now, let us test your understanding of beautiful sounds with our expanded 3-part quiz.
I am ready. Give me the audio scenarios.
Scenario 1. You are trying to sleep, but your neighbor is using a loud, electric drill to cut into the concrete wall of their apartment. It is grinding and shaking.
Definitely not. An electric drill is harsh, loud, and annoying. It is the exact opposite of flowing like honey. It is not mellifluous at all.
Correct. Harsh sounds are never mellifluous. Scenario 2. You go to a classical music concert. A woman is playing the harp very softly, and the music makes you feel completely at peace.
Yes, the sound of a harp is gentle, sweet, and incredibly smooth. That is a perfect example of a mellifluous sound.
Spot on. Scenario 3. You are listening to a heavy metal rock band. The lead singer is screaming into the microphone at the top of his lungs.
No, even if I like heavy metal, screaming is rough and aggressive. It is not sweet or smooth.
You nailed every single question. You have a deep understanding of this gorgeous, advanced adjective.
Thank you. I hope my English pronunciation becomes mellifluous one day.
It is already sounding fantastic. Have a wonderful evening, everyone, and keep learning.